Welcome to CellSite Solutions. Today we'll walk through various remanufactured concrete shelters and show you why more co-ops and mobile carriers trust our Midwest factory for turnkey shelters delivered in as little as 60 to 90 days. Every remanufactured building begins with stripping the interior and exterior. The interior is checked for moisture and rot. Often the shelter is fully gutted down to bare concrete. Any stress cracks or open penetrations are patched, and holes are caulked and sealed with 2 layers of high-grade masonry sealant to protect the building inside and out. Next, we rebuild the interior by installing 2x4s horizontally with 16 inches of foam inserted between each. OSB is installed prior to FRP for an extra layer of structural strength. New non-conductive flooring guaranteed for 15 years of rugged performance is installed. Lastly, FRP and trim finish out the interior. All buildings come standard with bright, energy-efficient LED lighting. Our licensed technicians install and quality test our electrical systems customized to your specs, whether for edge deployments, rural broadband, or mobile carrier networks. Outside, we prime the concrete masonry and seal all penetrations before applying custom paint schemes. A factory-applied polyvinyl membrane roof, backed by a 10-year warranty, tops off each shelter. Multiple HVAC configurations, including variable speed systems, deliver reliable climate control to keep your gear cool. This shelter, built for a public safety E911 client, meets grounding and surge standards. It features ladder racks, overhead receptacles, and wire mold for cables. Customers can drop in 2 or 4 post racks and be live within hours. Finally, our showcase build. You'll see a DC power plant with fuse distribution, ATS with external generator quick connects, a battery bay, fire suppression system, environmental sensors, and labeled clear cover fuse panels, every cable marked end to end. From an empty concrete shell to a mission-ready telecom hub, CellSite Solutions delivers shelters that look new, yet cost a fraction of new build. Ready to transform your next site? Our project team is standing by.